Horses out, we have Gallo di Arlo. Best to begin, moving up on the outside now is Z Senior. Racing in third, Big Daddy's Dream. Big Bang Bong comes next. Ale Ale, Pink Lady, Tiger Wood. And Chip of Stop is the early trailer. Now we have a C Senior by about 6 lengths. Gallo di Arlo in second, and on the outside, Ale Ale, Big Daddy's Dream in fourth. Big Bang Bong in the middle. Pink Ladies running by trail. Tiger Woods second last, and Chip of Stop still racing in last. Meanwhile, we have a C Senior goes on by about 4 lengths. Ale Ale now moving up to take second. And in third, dropping back, Gallo di Arlo. Big Daddy's Dream now on the outside to take third. Racing in fifth, Pink Lady, Big Bang Bong, Tiger Wood, and Chip of Stop. And it's still C Senior by about 3 lengths. Big Daddy's Dream now moving up to take second. And in third, Ale Ale, then comes Gallo di Arlo. C Senior still in front by Olalenga. And on the outside, second is Big Daddy's Dream. C Senior by about 2 lengths. Big Daddy's Dream in second. Chip of Stop, Tiger Wood, then followed by Ale Ale. Last 75 meters, we have C Senior, and finally Z Senior. Second is Chip of Stop, Big Daddy's Dream, Tiger Wood, Pink Lady for your Pentapecta.
Mabuti talaga si Senior. Successful siya. 6 straight.